So good morning students, it is a computer science class of grade 12, lesson 7, joining the list. Okay, fine. So first what I am going to do is, I am going to type list 1 is equal to, I am going to give some value. You see, you have to give square bracket. Inside the square bracket you have to give 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the list 1 value? It is 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. And next, list 2 is equal to, I am going to give some other value within rectangular square bracket. So it is 6, 7, 8. Okay, fine. So if I give, you see, I am going to ask the question, you have to answer the answer. You have to answer it. Okay, fine. So list 1 plus list 2. Okay, so if I give enter means, so what is the value? Tell me. You see, list 1, the value is 1, 2, 3. Okay, then whereas list 2, the value is 6, 7, 8. If I give list 1 plus list 2 means, if I give enter means, what is the output? Can you guess? Okay, so this is the answer. So very simple. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 7, 6, 7, 8 will be joining together. Got it? Okay. So we are going to see the next next topic. Okay. So listen. We are opening a new one. Now I am going to type list 1 is equal to here 10, 20, 30. Okay, fine. Then list 2 is equal to 40, 50, 60. Okay, okay. Then what I can do now? I can do like this. List 3 is equal to list 1 plus list 2. That means the value of list 1 and list 2 will be added and it will be saved in list 3. Okay, so that if I try to print print lst3, if I try to print the list 3 means the answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, got it? Okay. Shall we close this one? Okay. Now we are going for the next question. Okay, fine. Suppose list 1 is equal to 10, 12, 14. 10, 12 and 14. Okay, okay. Now if I give like this, list 1 plus 2. If I press enter means, what is the output? Tell me. Print of list 1 plus 2. So list 1 means what is the value? It is 10, 12, 14. Okay. Then along with that, if I try to add 2 means, then what is the output? Any idea? Okay. The answer is error. Why means, you see, this is a list and this is a normal number. Okay. Listiyum தான் add பண்ண முடியுமே தவிர listiyum numberயும் add பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, so this is a list and whereas this is a simple number, so list and number cannot be added. List and list only can be added. That's why it shows the error. Clear? Okay. Done. We are going for the next program. Okay. Now what question? Okay. LST list 1 is equal to again 1, 2, 3. Okay. Fine. Then list 1 plus ABC. Okay, so print of list 1 plus ABC. இப்போ இதுக்கு எரர் வருமா இல்ல கரெக்டான ஒரு அவுட்புட் வருமா சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். So I am giving enter. Again it shows the error. Why means, listen, listiyum மட்டும் தான் ஆட் பண்ண முடியும். This is a list and this is not a list. This is a string. Okay, that's why it shows concatenation error. Concatenation என்னன்னா join பண்றதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, So இதுல என்ன தெரியுது? You can add only list and list, but you cannot add list and a string. லிஸ்டையும் ஸ்ட்ரிங்கையும் ஆட் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா இந்த மாதிரி concatenation error தான் வரும். Clear? Okay done. So we are moving for the next one. The next topic is, what is the next topic? Repeating the list. Repeating the list. Okay, fine. Now we are going for the repeating the list. List 1 is equal to 2, 3, 4. Suppose if I give print open bracket list 1 star 3. Okay, so if I give enter means what is the output? Come on, tell me. Listen, list 1 odia value it is nothing but 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if list 1 into 3 means what will happen? Very simple, this data will appear 3 times. Listen, so this data 2, 3, 4 will appear 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, since it is star 3, this list 1 will appear 3 times. Got it? Okay, so now you tell me print of list 1 star 2. Can I guess the output? Yes, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all. Clear? Hope you understand. Shall I go for the next question? Okay, right. So now we are going for the next question. What is that question? It is slicing the list. Okay, okay, so slicing the list. Okay, slice na enna or periya list cut பண்றது, ஒரு particular portion மட்டும் எடுக்கிறது. Okay, that is called slicing. Okay, so list is equal to a big value we can give. What can we give? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, fine. So this is the list value, and now what I am going to give is print function list of 3 is to minus 3. 3 is to minus 3. Okay, so listen carefully. If I press enter means then what is the output? Any guess? So listen, this is 0th index. Okay, 0th index, first index, second index, third index. Okay, so third index is 14. Okay, so this is called minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. Okay, fine. So listen carefully. If I press enter means what is the output? Any guess? So enter. So you get the answer 14, 15, 16. Tell me why. 3 la start பண்ணோம், minus 3 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். Okay, so you get the answer 14, 15, 16. I think still you got confused. Let me explain you. 3 la start பண்ணோம். So 0th index, first index, second index, and third index. Okay, so third index is nothing but this 14. Okay, so that's why you got the number 14 here. And minus 3 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிஞ்சிடணும், which is minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So இந்த minus 3 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிஞ்சிடல, so you get the answer up to 16. So starting from third index and ending before the minus 3, so the answer is 14, 15, 16. Got it? Okay. And now listen. So we know that list value நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? Okay, இதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். Once again I will open a new one. So what we are going is again slicing only. We are going to see slicing. So list is equal to 22, 33, 44. Okay. Now list is equal to, what can I give? Sorry, list of 1. List of 1 is equal to 99. Okay, fine. Now if I give print print open bracket lsp, now you tell me what is the output. Listen, list value is 22, 33 and 44. List of 1 is equal to 99. That means list of 0 means 22 and list of 1 means 33. List of 1 is nothing but 33. Got it? So in the 33 oda place la edu varapodhu 99 varapodhu. This is 0th index, this is first index. So list of 1 equal to 99 abina 33 will be cancelled and 93 will be inserted. So enter, sorry. So enter, the answer is 22 அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். Okay, so in the place of list of 1, so in the place of list of 1, 93 will be inserted so that you can see 99 here. So 44 will come as the same. Understand? Okay, so hope you understand. Shall we go for next topic? Okay, then what can we see? Okay, so next question is, again this is also a slicing question only. So list is equal to I'll tell you 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Then if I press list of print open bracket lsp, list of 3 is to 30. 3 is to 30. So now if I press enter means what is the output, you tell me. Listen, இது என்னது தெரியுமா? This is called starting index. 3 ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம், 30th indexக்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். Okay, so you have to start with 3 means 0th index, first index and second index, then third index. அப்படின்னா என்னது? 6 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். So we have to start by third index, that means 0th index, first index, second index and third index. So 6 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம் up to 30. Okay, but 30 அப்படிங்கிறது out of range. You see, 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth index, seventh index, eighth index. Total index 8 தான் இருக்கு. ஆனா இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? 30 கொடுத்திருக்கான். Out of the bound, but இருந்தாலும் it will shows no error. It will show no error. So starting from the 6 up to 1 it will print. So starting from 6 up to 1 it will print. புரிஞ்சுதா? 3 ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது இது எவ்வளவு முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு மேக்ஸிமம் போகுது. So 6 to 1 it will be printed. Clear? Okay. So now listen my dear students. Now the list value is 10, 12, 14, 20, 22, 24, 30, 32, 34. Okay, fine. Now if I give print the list value of 0 is to 10 is to 2. Okay, so now listen carefully. You see, this list has 3 arguments. First argument, middle argument and last argument. Okay, இது என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்க, இந்த first argument என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it shows the starting index value. அதாவது 0 ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும், 10th indexக்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிரணும், 2 to a increment ஆகணும். Once again I will say, you have to start by 0th index, you have to end before 10, and you have to increment by 2. Okay, that means what is the answer? The answer is, what is the answer? The answer is 10, 14, 22, 30, 34. Okay, how this answer came? Very simple, you have to start by 0th index. So 0th index is what? 10. So you get the answer 10. Clear? Okay. Then what is this 2? You have to increment by 2. So 10 lande 2 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump. 14. And the 14 தான் இங்க இருக்கு. Okay? So from the 14, 2 jump. 1 jump, 2 jump. It is 22. அதுதான் இங்க இருக்கு. So 22 lande 2 jump. 1 jump, 2 jump. 30. And that is here. From 30, 2 jump, 1 jump, 2 jump, it is 34, that is here. Got it? So you have to start by 0th index, that is 10, you can see here. And every increment by 2 means, so every increment by 2 you get the answer. Okay? Fine. Then what is this 10? You have to end before 10. You have to end before the 10th index. Okay? So what is where the 10th index? 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, end before 10 அப்படிங்கும்போது 9th index வரைக்கும் வரலாம். So that you can get the value starting from 10 to 34, but it will be increment by 2. Got it? Okay. So let me give you one more example. So open. Okay. So list is equal to 10, 12, 14, 20, 22, 24, 30, 32, 34. Okay. Now tell me list of 0 is to 5 6 போடலாம். 6 is to 2. Okay. So here print. Okay, print open bracket and here close bracket. Okay. Now listen. Tell me what is the answer for this one. You have to start by 0. That means you have to start by 0th index. Okay. You have to increment by 2. That means after 10 you have to choose 14. After 14 you have to choose 22. After 22 you have to choose 30. Okay. So 6th index க்கு முன்னாடியே நீங்க finish பண்ணிரணும். 6th index எங்க இருக்கு? First index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth index. So இந்த 6th index க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So that 22 ஓட finish ஆயிடும். Clear? Okay, so the answer is, so it is 22. Okay, after starting from 10 to 22. So 10 ல ஆரம்பிக்கணும். 6th இதுதான் 6th index. This is called 6th index. 6th index க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So this is the range. இதுக்குள்ள 2 increment ஆகுதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10, 14 and 22. That is the answer. Clear? Okay. Now I will give you one more example. Okay. List is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Fine. So print. Here I int print open bracket LST bracket colon 2. Now tell me what is the answer. Yes, now tell me what is the answer. Listen, starting index not given, ending index not given, they had given only increment. That means what is the output? So starting and ending kudukala appadina, you have to take the complete data. Among that you have to increment by 2. That means 4, then 6, then increment by 2, 8. That's all. 4, 6, 8. I think so. So the answer is 4, 6, 8. Got it? Okay. Then suppose if I give print open bracket, what to give? LST, here colon, then here -1. Okay. Now you tell me what is the output. Listen. The list value is, you say don't consider this line. You just see this alone. So the list value is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. So here you have to print list of starting index kudukala, ending index kudukala abina, you have to choose the complete list. In complete list they are given -1. -1 abina enna, you have to decrement by 1. Value decrement aite irukanum. So enna agumna, you have to take 9, then decrement by 1 means 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Simply -1 abina, it will give you the reverse order. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Got it? So -1 means value decrement agum. Starting la 9 print aachuna, one value decrement 8, one value decrement 7, one value decrement 6, one value decrement 5, one value decrement 4. Okay? So -1 means decrement by 1. So adala ungalku reverse order la print agum. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to see from now we can start. So it is nothing but list modification. Okay, list modification. So L is equal to, we can give Anu, okay, comma Banu, comma Chitra. Okay, fine. So if I give L of 0 is to 2, 0 is to 2 is equal to, within the list what to give, 11, 22. Okay, can give 33, 44. Okay, fine. So if I do like this means, then print open bracket L of, print open bracket L. Okay. If I print enter means, then what is the output? Come on, tell me. Listen, L is a list. The list value is Anu, Banu and Chitra. Okay, fine. And this part is nothing but list modification. Okay, so 0 is to 2 means what? 0th index means this one. 2 means you see 0th index, first index and second index. So second index ku munnadi abina, so second index munnadi na idoda up to this one. Okay, so in the area pathina 33, 44. 0 la ஆரம்பிக்கணும், second index க்கு முன்னாடி முடிக்கணும். So 0th index ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம், second index க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிரோம். So select பண்ண பார்ட்ல 33 ம் 44 ம் போய் உள்ள insert ஆயிடும். So that's why if I give enter means, you can see in the Anu and Banu ஓட பிளேஸ்ல 33 and 44 வந்துருச்சு. So Chitra ஓட பிளேஸ்ல Chitra மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. Clear? Okay. Understand? Shall I go for next one? Okay. So this is also a list modification. Okay. So now we are going to see list append. Now we are going to see list append. Okay. So LST1 is equal to, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. And next, LST1 dot append. If I am giving 99, okay, if I give 99, okay, then enter. If I try to print LST1, now tell me what is the output. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Any guess? You see, append means it will add at the end. So 99 is the value, it will be add at the end. Understand? Okay. And one more thing. If I give print, LST1 dot append 100. Okay. If I try to give append 100, okay. Then if I try to give print LST1, enter. Shall I give enter? Okay. So enter means, can you see here? Very simple. In the list la pathina already 99 add aichi. So that if I give append 100 means along with the 1 to 99 the 100 will be added. So append means it will add at the end. Understand? Okay. Then now we are going to see pop. Okay, fine. So now we are going to see pop. So list pop function. Pop function means it will delete. Okay, delete the data. Okay, fine. So list is equal to here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Then if I give LST dot POP function means if I give enter means, okay, what will be coming? 9 will be deleted. I told you pop means it will delete the data. It will delete the data 9. Okay, in the 9 of data delete aichi. So if I give print means print LST means it gives the value 5, 6, 7, 8 alone. So 5, 6, 7, 8 alone will come. 9 will not come here because the 9 is already deleted. Got it? Okay. Let me explain it. So one more example. So list pop function. Pop function means it will delete the data. So list is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. So if I give LST dot pop function, okay, then what will be deleted? The last element will be deleted. Pop function means what? It will delete the last element. So 9 will be deleted. Okay. Then if I give print LST means what will be coming? It will be 2 and 8 will be print out. 9 will not be printed. Why? It is already deleted. Got it? Okay. Now I will ask you one more question. What is the question? It is nothing but we are going to see pop function only. Okay, fine. So LST is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Now LST dot pop function, here I am giving 2. Okay, so 2 kodana usually pop function abdina it will delete the last element, but if I give pop of 2 means it will delete the second index element. Second index is the 0th index, first index, second index. So in the 5 on the காணாம போயிடும். So 5 will be deleted. So if I give print LST means it will print except 5, it will print the all. So 3, 4, 5 is not there, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 then already deleted. Alright? So hope you understand. See you in the next class and thank you very much.